Hey guys, it's Trevin with Solheim Technologies. Today's video is going to be pretty simple, and we're going to be talking about how to add some menus to your website. So menus are going to be these drop downs right here that are almost always going to be on the homepage of your website. So for Solheim Technologies, we have an About Us page, Services, Portfolio, and Contact. So let's jump in and show you guys how to do this. So first step, we're going to add a page that's going to be added to our menu dropdowns. So as you can see for portfolio, once we click on that, it shows up all of our portfolios right here. So we're going to need to make this page before we add it to a menu. So first step, let's head to our dashboard and then head to pages and press add new page. And we're going to title this page test for menus. And then we're going to press publish. So we just published this page and we're going to now add it to a menu. So we're going to go back here and we'll scroll down here to appearance, hover over appearance, and then go to menus. Alright, so now we're here and you can see we have pages over here on the left and then our menu structure is over here on the right. So you can see the ones we have lined up for Solheim Technologies, like I showed you before, the About Us, Services, and Portfolio and Contact. These two that are slightly angled to the right are sub items. So as you can see back here, when I hover over this, these two will be sub items. And right here, these two will also be sub items. So let's go back. So these are the pages that we have on our website right now. If you can't see it right here, then just go ahead and press search. And we're going to search for test. And then we can see the test for menus right here. So we'll go ahead and click that. If you want to add multiple pages to your menus, then you can add multiple. We only need to add one. And then you're going to press add to menu. So that updated right here. And you can see we have a menu. Before anything saves, we're going to have to press save menu. And that will publish it to the website. Now if we go back to our website, we can see after we refresh it, we'll have test for menus right here. So let's say you want to make a sub item where we have a drop down. We're going to do that real quick. And for this example, I'm going to use a page that we already have made. So let's use partnerships. And I want this partnership page to be a sub item of my test for menus. So we'll add it to menus. So now these are two main menus, but I want partnerships to be a sub item of this one. So I'm just going to drag it over it and let go. So just by dragging over it, it will create a sub item for this page. So I'll press save real quick. And I'll go back to our home page, refresh it. And as you can see, partnerships is now a sub item to test for menus. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial on how to make menus on your homepage of your website and also how to create sub items. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments and I would love to answer them. If you guys are liking these tech videos, then please subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.